If you are one of the thousands of visitors coming to Bullhead City this weekend, Nevada will require masks to be worn indoors, including on Las Vegas casino floors, adopting the latest guidance from the CDC. Per CDC guidance, all Walmart and Sam's Club associates working in an area of substantial or high transmission are required to wear a mask or face covering while working indoors, regardless of vaccination status. This is another hot month in the desert, and I just cannot bring myself to tell you exactly how hot it is, and will be during the month of August. If you are really curious about how hot it is, check our website and view the 7-day forecast. Speaking of hot, Sam's Club's Cool August Savings Month started August 7th. There are some great savings, including their exclusive online-only membership offer. We have placed an exclusive link in the description for you to use to take advantage of this really awesome membership offer. We show how to shop and save at Sam's Club. You will learn valuable information on how you too can save thousands a year with your Sam's Club membership. I see someone is wondering about the Sam's Club membership offer. Is it a free membership? Yes, it is. Doing the math is pretty easy, but let me explain how it works and the details of the offer. First, you have until January 31st, 2022, to take advantage of the offer. Join now as a new Sam's Club member for $45, plus tax in some places, and receive instant savings for $45 off a $45 Sam's Club gift card at a physical Sam's Club location. You must join online as a new Sam's Club member through the link provided to qualify for this offer. You can find the link in the description. You must be 18 years or older to purchase a membership, and membership is subject to qualifications. Membership cards are non-transferable and are valid at all Sam's Club locations nationwide. Enjoy your weekend in the desert and stay safe, and you will love the rivers and the mountains.